Coronavirus stimulus package expected to be passed in the Senate by the end of the day. That bill providing direct payments to American families struggling financially, but it also provides aid to businesses and hospitals. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in Springfield with more on that side of the stimulus deal. Audrey?
Chris, a moment ago, I heard you use the phrase inching closer. Some reports showing that lawmakers may be hitting a snag in passing this stimulus bill. But in the package, it reportedly contains as much as $100 billion to help hospitals deal with surging caseloads. Western Mass News spoke with one local hospital executive who says that access to medical supplies still remain a critical part of fighting the coronavirus. The Senate reaching a deal early Wednesday morning on the coronavirus stimulus package. The $2 trillion proposal includes $350 billion in small business loans, $250 billion in unemployment insurance benefits, and $500 billion in loans for distressed companies. But perhaps the most pressing for those on the front lines is at least $100 billion earmarked for hospitals. Right now, local hospital officials explain the federal help they need most.
I would say access to adequate supplies, whether it's PPE, whether it's ventilators.
Dr. Saeed Hussein, the chief clinical officer for Trinity Health of New England, says they're evaluating their supply needs by keeping an eye on places with more cases of coronavirus, like New York City.
Their need for more ventilators, that I would say based on our own modeling predictions, ensuring that we have enough supplies and PPE so that our clinicians can take care of folks during the surge.
Hussein says they've set up a dashboard within their hospital system to track their personal protective equipment. He says conserving N95 masks and keeping them clean enough for possible reuse is paramount.
Educating staff on when an N95 mask is really necessary is important. And in addition, encouraging staff to be able to use covering on the mask so that we can conserve those N95s, which are in great demand nationwide. And also, we've started reprocessing N95s and looking also at other modalities such as ultraviolet.
Now, should this stimulus bill pass in the Senate, if and when it'll go to the House next for approval before landing on the president's desk, Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin telling reporters today that if it were to land on the president's desk, he would sign it into law. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.